guys, it's your girl Jah-nette, and today I will be showing you how to achieve this half up half down bohemian slash goddess box braid. First thing first, you want to start off on clean and moisturized hair. I use the rubber band method at the back of my hair, but you don't have to. And keep in mind that you can make these as small or as big as you wish. For this hairstyle, you will need two different kinds of braids, the regular Kanekalon braids and a softer wavy braid. Before I get any further into this video, I just want to say thank you if you are a returning subscriber, or if you are new here and you like what you see. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. Of course, to achieve this hairstyle on your own, you need to know how to braid, and I do have a tutorial on how to braid your own hair, so I will link that in the description box for those in need, or you can simply just get it done by someone, of course. I wanted mine long, and I think this is the 49-inch pack that I have, the pack of pre-feathered braid, if I'm not mistaken. Also, I did not show it in the video, but you can dip the ends in hot water. Only the straight ends, not the curly hair. Using the rubber band method makes grabbing the hair easier, and you want to make sure that you pass your fingers through the hair as you braid so it doesn't get tangled up. If needed, use clips to keep the curly hair away while you braid. And the method that I use at the front of my hair is the fitting method, the fitting cornrows. I did use edge control to slick down my edges before braiding, and I think that's it. The video itself is very self-explanatory, so don't hesitate to pause and to rewatch if needed. And once again, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to share, to leave a comment. Let me know if this is something you would try. And until my next video, take care of yourself. Bye.
Just